Yep. This fucking plastic. Plastic, bro. Plastic. What the fuck? Hello. Yeah, no one's in there. Looks pretty good. I actually get to clean up under the tank now, because you can see that's what me wire brushing and then painting. So now I get to do all this. I'm not going to take this out. So fuck that. That's a water tank of some kind.
here, the angry gorilla.
Right, so I'm going to paint the part that you can see from the bottom of the car. I'm going to paint that red because, you know, everything red explodes, right? So, makes sense. Fuel tank, red. Yeah. What's up, buddy? And then from under here, I went over everything with a wire brush and I was able to... camera Cody. I went over everything with a wire brush and I was able to paint under the gas tank, which is cool. And the only things I taped up, so as you can see, I did not replace fuel pump and I haven't replaced the fuel filter, so I have not painted those. Yeah, so everything painted is everything that I've gone over with a wire brush. Everything that's not painted is, well, I don't want to paint fuel lines and I don't want to paint any kind of stuff that I don't need to. Yeah.
Can they do that? That's like so funny.
Yeah, that is funny.
We can,
Yeah.
We can watch them all slide.
So the original paint was, the original paint was covered in dirt, so I had to wire brush it, and then in the previous part of my videos you would have seen that.
We can watch that again.
Yeah, we can.
To watch that.
Yeah, so it's pretty much all refreshed. I think I'm gonna leave it with this grey. Obviously, like a raptor lining would be cool, like a special undercoating would be cool, but I want to leave it like this because if someone was to, like if I was to sell this, I'd want to sell it. I wouldn't want to paint over this grey and all this stuff, and I'd want to see the next owner be able to actually see what they're buying, you know? Because once you undercoat the car, you can't, like, you know, they can't tell what's underneath the undercoating, so. Anyway.